Hi guys! So magla-live withdrawal ako ngayon. 593 yung aking i-withdraw. Yan. Kaya 500. Ano yan? Submit ko muna. No? Para tignan natin kung mabilis sila magpa-withdraw. So ayun guys. Ayan na nga guys. Pumasok na yung aking withdraw. 504 of GCash from. Wala pang isang minuto. Pumasok na. Segundo lang. Pumasok na yung aking withdraw, no? So, paying na paying po to si Mall Finance and kahapon lang po ito nag-umpisa. Kaya po yan yung na-withdraw ko is nag-invest ako kahapon ng 1,500 which is ang daily profit is 400. Tapos nag-invest ako ulit ng 500. So, 125. Tapos ngayon guys, itatry ko naman na nag-invest naman ako ngayon ng 3,500 para in 4 days mabawi ko na agad yung puhunan ko. So, 3,500, 1,000 ang daily profit niya, no? So, etong mga ibang to, hindi pa nila nabubuksan. Siguro bubuksan na lang nila etong ibang product once na dumami na yung investor since kakaumpisa lang po kasi ng Mall Finance, no? So, paying na paying po to si Mall Finance and ito po guys yung withdrawal record ko. Success na siya. Then, ito po yung pumasok. You have received 504 of GCash from. So, paying na paying po talaga siya. So, meron po siyang ang minimum withdraw is 100 pesos. May handling fee po na 15% or withdrawal fee na 15%, no? So, ayun guys, kailangan tama yung GCash account nyo para hindi mag-fail yung withdraw nyo. So yun lang guys, if you want to invest, ilalagay ko na lang sa pin comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can afford to lose. So kahapon lang to nag-umpisa, so pag 2 days na ngayon and paying na paying pa rin po si Mall Finance. So yun lang guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye bye!